So we asked Berean Harvest Church for a Father's Day message, and this is their response.
I'm proud of my dad because he loves me and he takes care of me and my sister and he does everything for us. Happy Father's Day, Dad. I'm proud of you.
My Papa, I'm so grateful to have you as my role model. Thank you for being a provider to us. I love you, Pa. Happy Father's Day.
Papa, Happy Father's Day. Thank you, Gid, sa lahat na biniprotektahan mo kami, na palangga. Thank you, Gid. Have a nice day.
To my handsome Papa, I'm so proud of my father because he worked hard for us and never give up for being a father. I would thank you for God because He gave me a father like you. I love you, Papa, and Happy Father's Day!
Hello, Papa. Salamat sa pag-provide naman sa adlaw-adlaw. Salamat sa pag-provide sa nagkikido. Nga dugay-dugay ko nagkikayo kinapray. Sa ulihin, Happy Father's Day.
Papa, thank you for giving us life advices. Thank you for giving us all we need, all our resources. Thank you for giving us that vision. I've been praying for so long. All I want to say is, Happy Father's Day.
To the man who has shown me what dedication and hard work truly look like, thank you for all the sacrifices you made for us, Dai. Happy Father's Day. I love you and I miss you. Take care always. Happy Father's Day, everyone. God bless you all.
I'm proud of my Papa because he sacrificed a lot for us. And every day, wala din siya ga-fail na mapapil niya sa akin, nga palangga niya kami. And hindi dali ang mga sacrifices na gihimog niya para mahatag ang aming maglibot. So, I'm proud of my Papa. Happy Father's Day, Pa. I'm proud of you.
Thank you pa sa imo greasy hands, sa imo pagkamangkamang, sa lalabas mga salakyan, para ma-sustain kami. And we are what we are today because sa imo pagpadako sa amon. Thank you. Happy Father's Day, Pa. I am so proud of you.
Happy Father's Day sa tanan nga mga tatay da. Thank you sa pagsuporta niyo sa mga bata niyo pag sa akon. Love you all. Bye-bye.
Hi, Dad. Happy Father's Day. I'm proud that you are there for me and my mom and my siblings. I know that you are doing your best to help us, and I'm very thankful that you are there to do whatever you can to help me for my education and for my health. I'm very thankful to have you by my side, Dad. Happy Father's Day. I love you and God bless you.
So, Happy Father's Day gali sa tanan nga tatay, lalo na sa mga tatay diri sa church. Siyempre sa akon nga tatay, akon nga daddy, and my Pastor Ferds Fernandez.